Okay, now I'll roll the light bar over so you can see it and climb up here. Tilt it up so you can see it. And what I did was I pop riveted this piece of plastic. Like I said, it's about 2¼ inches wide, and I put a pop rivet there, and then one every 12 inches all the way across. And as you can see, it's a little bit wavy, but I didn't figure that was a big deal. And it's gray, so it really blends in fairly well. And it really was a pretty easy fix. And see, I tried this stuff. I tried putting chunks of foam in between here, and that really did nothing. And I just left it there. But this piece of plastic, putting it there, it did do the trick. And it's not super visible. You can see it there, but unless you're looking for it, it's really doesn't appear to be a big deal for looks or anything. And like I said, it's been on there for about 2 weeks. I've driven highway with it, highway speeds 70, 75, and no issues whatsoever. So it has taken care of it completely. And thanks again. Bye.